I'm Logan with DMC. Today, we will discuss safety cable verification equipment. Indenter calibration should be checked periodically and must be checked after the nose assembly has been removed or changed. DMC offers all the necessary tools for the verification of safety cable. Tensioning mechanisms are verified using a torque verification block, a push force tester, and a 3/8 inch drive torque wrench. Install safety cable on the torque verification block. Use a calibrated torque wrench to apply the proper pull-off load. The pull-off load is determined by the cable diameter and is indicated on the verification block. Release the torque when the minimum pull-off load is achieved. Do not apply additional tension to the cable. If the cable breaks off or pulls out of the ferrule, the crimp is unacceptable and the tool should be adjusted. Next, use the push force tester to apply load to the cable. If the cable touches both the side or bottom surface of the test area, then remove the cable from the test block and adjust the cable tension. Alternatively, you can use the MPT-250C motorized pull tester with the 15-3318 grip set to perform pull to fail tests, allowing you to accurately determine the tensile values of 22, 32, and 40 thou diameter cable. To make adjustments to the indenters, remove the nose assembly by removing the two socket head cap screws. Release the jam nut using the spanner wrench and adjust the push rod adjustment screw using the supplied screwdriver. Turn the screw clockwise to decrease the tension. Turn it counterclockwise to increase the tension. After each adjustment, tighten the jam screw using a spanner wrench and a screwdriver to hold the adjustment screw stationary. Replace the nose assembly and the two socket head cap screws. Prevent binding by turning each screw a small amount until tight. Finish by checking the calibration. Anytime you change the nose, it is critical that you verify the proper setting with our verification equipment, even if you stay with the same nose size. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on our other social media.